Hey guys, it's Roberta, and yes, I am wearing the same clothes I did yesterday because I fell asleep in them. Um, I'm eating oatmeal right now, and like I said in my last video, it's my second attempt at breakfast. But I had to put something in my. So anyway, I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna take a long ass bath to soak my leg because I had surgery, so I have to soak leg in Epsom for the pain. So I'm gonna go and do that. Today I'm just gonna be doing nothing because I had surgery and I can't do shit. So I'm really useful, you know what I'm saying? All I could do is just sit and watch snowfall. And eat and probably gain all kinds of weight. No, I'm just kidding. I gotta figure out a meal plan. I don't know if I can stand long enough to do that, but I might make that chicken Parmesan crock pot meal. Not too sure yet. You know, the chicken Parmesan stew in the crock pot. I was gonna try to do that. We'll see how it goes after I do my routine with my leg. And we will see how that goes. Because if it takes the pain out, then I can stand long enough to do it. But right now I'm gonna enjoy my oatmeal. I'm gonna watch the snowfall, and then, like I said, I'm gonna do the bath, and then get changed, and then try to come down and see what else I can do. Which is nothing, and we're getting 12 plus in snow, so I can't even tell you how many inches I think are out there right now. Probably close to a foot. But I'm there's the phone again. Hello? Hello? You're calling. I didn't call you. Called me. I don't know. Some kind of bullshit from Allstate Car Insurance. I have to answer the phone because the other phone is on the charger upstairs, which is a cordless phone, but in case the power goes out, we need that to be charged so that I can't see who's calling me on the caller ID. Right? Okay. Get it? So like I said, I'm going to have my breakfast at 11 something in the morning, and then I'm going to do my bath, and then I'm going to come down, and I'm going to sit again and figure out if I'm going to do that chicken thing, because I'm like really like trying to stretch out my meals, trying to get 3 meals, so I can, if I ate that for lunch, and then I can freeze the other part of it to have for a dinner, or something. So, we might have hot dogs tonight. I don't know what the hell we're having because we're trying to stretch out meals because it was snowing. And we didn't think we'd be able to get out, which looks like we're not able to get out because that snow just keeps coming down like no other. Well, we haven't had snow like that in a long time anyway, so oh well. It's January 23rd, so we hardly had any, we had such wacky weather in December. The weather was just wacky anyway. So, yeah, so that's the deal. So I will be back in a little while. And I did my postings on Facebook, so if anybody wants to reach out to me on Facebook, go ahead. Twitter, Instagram. I don't do Instagram a lot, so I'm just gonna let you know. But you want to reach out, I'll try to. I'm still trying to figure out these different these different social medias. So I do Facebook more than anything else. So I know people don't like to do Facebook for some reason anymore. I guess Facebook is phasing out, but Twitter, Facebook, Twitter. I'm on Pinterest. I'm on Instagram, but I try to be on all social medias if I can. But like I said, I'm new to them, and I'm not that technical on the computer. So yeah. So we'll figure it out, and I'll be back a little bit later. Okay, thanks.